Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm back with another nail video. Once again, I'm not a nail tech, nor do I think I'm any good at it for real. But my nails are already shaped from a previous nail session that I did, but I didn't record it. And so all I've done is like shave it off the paint and reshaped my nails. And now I'm going in with some nail primer. Alrighty, so next I use a base coat. This is a random base coat gel from Temu. I actually like it pretty well. I've used this a couple of times and it's very nice application. This is a little bit thinner, but I think it's perfect. And so I'm going to do the base coat before I do my gel X. Like gel, it's not like, I like gel extensions, but I'm not extending the nail. I'm just doing it as a coat on top of the nail just to give it a thicker like base so it lasts. But anyways, yes, this is my gel coat and I'm gonna cure that. I think I cured it for I'm sure I cured it for 90 seconds, but usually I either do 60 or 90 just depending on the vibe. Okay, we see 90 seconds. So I did that on both hands already, and this is the A-Press Extend Gel. I really like it. It's really thick, so you can't put it on just like fingernail polish because it's thick, so you'll just have to take it slow. I'm just distributing so I don't have a thick glob on each nail. Then I'm going in and going just a little bit slower, and just like you would if you were painting a nail, but you do have to take it just a little bit slower because it's thick. But I do that on top of the base coat, and that provides it's like a hard gel type of thing. I don't know if I said this earlier, but I am in no way, shape, or form a professional. I just like doing this for fun, and this is the method that I like using. I think they last at least 2 weeks. I don't really have any chipping or broken nails, and nobody can really tell. So anyways, this color it's a Beatles color. The number is 998. I like the Beatles formulation for gel polishes. So on screen, this looks more brownish, but it was more of a pinkish brown. I think it looks pretty accurate right here, but I think at the end it looks more brown than it really is. So I really like the color. So I'm going to do 2 coats in total. I'm trying to keep this first coat thin and definitely trying to avoid the cuticle area and the side walls, which is something I have learned just not to just put so much nail polish on, especially with the first coat, just to keep those edges nice and clean. Alrighty, so since I had the brush, nearby, I went on and tried to clean up the edges and the cuticles just with it's like a little eyeshadow brush, but I made it my nail brush. I am getting some more supplies so I can have official nail brushes. But anyways, since this is gel polish, you can take your time and clean up all around your cuticles without worrying about your nail polish drying. So definitely before you cure your polish, you go ahead and clean up what you need to clean up. Okay, no need to feel rushed with this. Now just don't accidentally mess up any nails because they are still wet. So I honestly could have just left them like that, but as you can see, I had a bright idea. And this is gonna be a fail. I'm gonna go ahead and warn you right now. This is a fail, but I wanted to do a white French tip, kind of gradual, like an ombre, and I did that with nail polish on my last set, and it turned out really, really nice. But it was hard to work with the nail polish, so I decided, okay, let me try just using some eyeshadow, and I think it was cute. And I think it might work if you have something sticky to apply it to, because right now, after I just cured my nails, the nails aren't sticky. That polish doesn't really leave a sticky residue or anything. So yes, it transfers, but it just wipes right off just like anything else. So I was like, duh, actually. I mean, I thought it would stick a little bit better. So this is me trial and error. Basically first method of getting white French tip type of ombre or whatever. And so I was gonna go over that with this shimmery sparkle polish, but then when I got to the top, it would just basically wipe the eyeshadow makeup right off. Now, of course, your makeup is for your eyes and your face, not your nails. I'm sorry. So now that I had like a stickier, polish, I went back on top, but it was just transferring the glitter polish right on off, and so it was still a hot mess. So like I said, since this is gel polish, all I had to do was just wipe it right back off and start over. So now I'll have regular polish, and this is the method I used the last time, but this time I don't know, maybe I was just being impatient. But this regular nail polish, it dried up so fast, and I feel like I just want a thinner formulation, or maybe I was just working too slow. But like the more you tap, and like the longer you take, the nail polish does start drying, and then the sponge is literally taking it back off and creating like a just disgusting look. And it wasn't fading out like I wanted it to. It was a harsher line than I wanted, and so I think I had to accept defeat. And I had to really, really think about what I wanted my nails to look like. So here we go. Third method. This is gel white polish, and so I have this. It's like, I don't know what to call it, but when you have the nail stamper thing and you have that squidgy thing, so I don't know, but that's what you use to do nail stamp art. And so all you do is put the polish on the squidgy part, and hopefully you can see how I push my nail into it. So that was very, very easy. That's my favorite way to do like straight French tip nail tips, just so you can see how clean that is. So now I'm going over with the sparkle polish. I don't think I gave y'all a number for that, but it's another Beetles gel, and this turned out really cute. So I'm just finishing that, and after I put on the rest of that shiny, shimmery, glittery polish, I cure that. Then I put on a top gel from the same brand I used before. Whatever gel polishes you want to use is all good with me. I don't really care. But that's what I did. And then last thing I did was I just shaped the top and I squared it off. And these are the ending results. I think this is really cute, really nice, very simple and elegant. So check out this nail playlist and subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Bye.